As preppers, sometimes we are actually so prepared, we miss out on the basics, especially when it comes to no-cook food. So we're going to go over today are basic foods and food groups that you need on hand in case you have a power failure and you choose not to use heat or anything else to cook your food.
And you it may not be just a choice.
The first thing I want to talk to you about is something you really need to have, and we always should have a lot of them, not just one, not just two, and that is
can openers.
Can openers. It's amazing how many people have electric can openers, and they don't even think about one of these. So unless you have the type with the pull tops, you're going to be hating life.
Yeah, because electric can opener isn't going to work.
Nope, not going to work. So let's go over the first group that we're going to have are proteins.
We're going to show you a couple of examples of the proteins that we have in our pantry.
Yes.
For instance, we have these little bags of different flavors of protein drinks.
Yeah.
These are very good. They're Jocko brand.
We really like the Jocko brands.
Yeah.
They actually have monk fruit in them. So we like those.
And they have lots of probiotics.
Yep, they have probiotics too. So we always get those. Easy, just add water. You can get the big containers or whatever type you want. It's okay.
Yeah, just a lot of protein drinks are good to have in your
Good
pantry.
to have, because all you have to do is add water. The next thing is peanut butter. Yep, just
your favorite brand, any kind you want. It's a good source of protein.
Good source of protein. And the next thing we should always have, and preppers, we always have beans, but we don't always have them in the can. Beans.
Beans, good high protein.
And a good variety is always good to have. Good.
I love garbanzo beans. The next item on our list is one of my favorite items. Sardines. I could eat these every single day.
And she kind of does. I'm a kipper snack guy. We don't have any right now because I'm a kipper snack guy. But we have those. So, yeah, those are good to have. Good high protein, Another one.
These are good for kids, too, to keep them busy, keep them less stressed out on things that are going on. You have your cheese stick and your little jerky stick.
Yep.
Great item.
Great item. I love those.
And, we keep these in the fridge, but when your power goes out, hey, they're good to have. You can grab them. Kids love them.
Yep.
Next item, tuna in a bag.
Yep. And there's so many flavors now.
Yes.
It's off the charts.
Yes. Yeah, and of course, tuna in a can. That's why you have your can opener to open the cans of tuna. But these bags are a great option. I use these for lunch weekly.
And I take those backpacking all the time.
Yeah.
They're super easy to use.
Good source of protein.
Okay, the next section are the grains and carbs. So the first thing that goes well with our tuna packets, tortillas. And see, tortillas, people always think it goes just for Mexican food. No, you can use that for everything.
Yeah, and they don't have to be heated, so they're great. Just take them out of the bag like a bread, and just smear some peanut butter on them. Whatever you have, tuna, make a little burrito.
There you go.
Works great.
And the next
item is granola.
Granola. Yep.
Great snacking food. Has a lot of good stuff in it for you. Nuts, grains.
Yep.
Good to have.
And it fills you up too.
And kids like to eat this too. It keeps them busy. Put them in little cups for them. They love it.
Yep.
Next item
is
crackers. Any kind. We love these because I like to spread peanut butter on my Ritz.
Yep.
Or maybe something else.
Yep.
Ritz crackers are great.
And all those you can pair with other things. And the next one is something that I have to have because it's Mountain House. But this is it's another type of granola. All you have to do is add some water, and it doesn't even take I think it's like a quarter cup. And it has high calories, 500 calories per packet.
Yeah.
Tastes great. Kids love it. I love it. Everybody loves granola.
Yeah, you can have different types of granola. Yep. You can even have granola bars. Those are awesome for kids.
Yeah, they are. Yeah. The next section are the fruits and veggies.
Fruits you have on hand. Oranges, apples. Fruits, you want to get those eaten first before they go bad if you lose power. Yep. And you can even cut these up and make a little fruit melody. That would be great.
Okay, the next section are the high-calorie extras. The first one we have are olives. Olives in a jar.
Yeah.
I mean, these things they're high-calorie. They taste great. Everybody likes them. Good to have in the pantry in case.
There's a variety, and they last a long time on the pantry.
Yep, and you can even slice them up and put them in your tortilla with like the tuna packets and make a little meal. They're very
no worries about cooking.
Yep. The next high calorie item is our honey. Honey is always good. You can add it to anything. You can add it to your granola. You can add it to whatever you want. You can even put it with the peanut butter and your tortilla.
Yeah.
You roll it up, which I've done. I love honey with peanut butter. If you haven't tried it, try it. Actually, try peanut butter and pickles sometime. Okay, the next thing we have is jams, jellies, whatever. Belinda just canned these like last week.
Last weekend we got plum jelly.
Yep, this is plum jelly.
Those will go great on Ritz crackers.
Yep, and it'll also go well on the tortillas.
Yeah. Our next section is another section we have for you.
Next section are comfort foods. This one here there's a lot of varieties of this, but I consider it more of a comfort food, and that is your Chef Boyardee everything. You know, whatever you want. We have every Chef Boyardee thing.
I grew up on those, and I love them.
Yeah, me too. It throws me back to when I was young.
Yeah, it throws me back, and they're just. I sit here on a Friday night if I don't want to cook.
Yeah.
I open up a can.
Yeah,
of
I break
raviolis.
open one of these, and all of a sudden I hear the Happy Days theme or Laverne and Shirley playing. You know, because that's
true.
From our kids.
True. And when Mom worked, we got ravioli.
Yeah, there you go.
Next items.
And it's a few of them here. I won't show them individually just because there's no reason to. Are candy bars. And we'll get your Hershey's
Great
chocolate.
treat. And they make you feel good when you're stressed out. Too.
Yeah, and that's I go to
it's
that.
Good comfort food.
I always bring that up. When you're in a stressful situation, you want to do everything you can to make it, just calm it down, make it seem normal. Especially if you had kids, but even as adults, we get that, that uneasiness. Yeah. So we always want to, that's why we always, push comfort food. Something to make things feel like it's not an emergency when it is an emergency. Yep. So we got, Reese's, and I got some Kit Kats. So but then, of course, if you're like me, you got to have coffee. So what I have is instant coffee. I like this kind because I like the little individual packets. So I got the Black Rifle plain. And we also have these in vanilla. They come in different flavors, whatever you want. I can almost hear the song for Folgers. Here we are going back to the 70s again. But yeah, you want some instant coffee.
And one thing that we harp about a lot that you should know by now you really, really need is
water. Make sure you have water.
Yeah.
You know it. You're preppers. You should know it.
It goes with your coffee.
It goes with your coffee. It just goes with everything. You have to have a lot of water. Yeah. And we've done, we did a video. We'll put that in the description on how to store water, how to hide water so it's not in the way all the time.
Yeah.
If you're new to our channel, welcome. My name is Wayne.
I'm Belinda.
And we're Normal Prepping. Let's prepare together for whatever life throws our way.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.